Somebody has a shift.
Knock, knock, knock.
I have it. No, I will. My turn. You got it last time.
Your day, Glimmer.
Well, well, well.
You didn't fall down.
Carl! Come on in, Carl. Welcome, welcome.
Well.
Rails calls for wondrous.
What a way to go.
It's our downfall.
What else do we know?
Knock, knock, knock.
I had it. No, I will.
My turn.
You got it last time.
Your day, Glimmer.
Oh, well.
You didn't fall down.
Carl! Come on in, Carl.
You sure I don't get vaporized?
Only until we know you a little better.
Clank's the name. Carl Clank. Good. Put it there.
Pleased to meet you, Mr. Clank.
Sorry about the children. They only dematerialize the ones I really love. But really, I'm very glad you're able to.
Well, the feeling's mutual. Yeah. So, let's turn this around here. So, this won't be in the way. Thank you very much. Yes. So, I am sure that Carl outlined to you how I go about things to you. Yeah, I'm sure.
Well, just a bit. He said you worked wonders with other programs.
Yes. Oh, and people too. Oh, okay. Yes, now, let's get comfortable. Now then, I don't know what Habis told you exactly, so why don't I explain to you my method? Okay? What do you think, Yuri? You think I should explain it?
Oh, yes, of course, yes. Oh gosh. Learning cybernetics from the master. Huh?
Yes, well, your husband is very flattering. Now, what I do, you see, is marry the best of traditional behavior therapy to the in this case, it is the computer combined with the galvanic skin response mechanisms. Here, let me show you. I'm going to show you what you think, Ingo. I'm going to show you.
Wow.
Wow. Are you gonna turn mom into a we? Awesome.
Mister.
Honey, be polite. Call him Carl.
Yes, I accept that very much, sweetheart. But could you give me your name? I didn't catch it.
It's just all
Right,
cut and
no.
dry. And then what you need to do is don't start to attach to the children till you say, are you sure you want the children?
And then I say, and then you were flipped out by her beat. And then you want me to do something like this?
Really, and you're gonna help her.
Yeah.
So and whatever you're.
And then you were flipped out and...
What?
It was a rejection, a painful rejection of love long gone. That's funny. Twilight, after 3 months of dating, you were flipped out over her, bewitching beauty, but she said she found you a techno twerp.
And if you can hold his arms up by the sweater even a little more, like from the elbows, from here, dead down there, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
She said you were a techno twerp, an emotional quadriplegic, and she jettisoned you into the mating world. And there you went, screaming.
Oh, craziness is this bird! You get her off of me!
Coefficient, huh? Let's show you a coefficient.
If you can do it right from his neck.